Hi, this is my idea for the Creality EcoStar contest. Print insect totals with your 3D printer. And after a while, insects will move in if you place them in a shady and dry place outside. The decline in insects is a huge environmental problem. A big factor is the habitat destruction, and you can counteract by printing insect totals. So what can Creality do? Well, they sell a lot of 3D printers. So why not invite the buyers of these 3D printers to print an insect total by putting the pre-sliced file and the STL file on the SD cards or offering one on the Creality Cloud. I uploaded one in the Creality Cloud, which you can print here, and if you like it, just search for it and download it and have fun with it. So what are the advantages of this idea? There's no additional cost involved, so the price of the printer can stay the same. There's the potential for millions of new insect totals. Users can enjoy the new cute and useful insects in their garden, like carpenter bees. Beginners have something to print that's not only a test or calibration part, but something they can use after on. And the parts, if printed from bio-degradable PLA, are sustainable and you have fun for years with it. I hope you like my idea and give it a vote. Thank you.